It's awful cold outside. Heidi's got her heated jacket on. Time for her to take off her pants. Actually put some pants on.
What have you been up to?
I've been riding on a daydream.
So Heidi's got her heated jacket on from DEWBU. Whenever we did that first video, they were happy with it. They contacted us and said, we want you to take a look at the rest of our apparel. And how about some heated pants that match the jacket? And Heidi says, yes, please, especially with what's going on outside. You see the snow, the snow blower. It's cold out. So DEWBU has the same stuff for the bottoms as they do the top. So in this case, again, these are pants that have heated zones in them with different settings that are run off a small battery pack, or you could plug it into your cigarette lighter. I'm going to go back to that point. You can plug it into your cigarette lighter. So let's say you are a plow guy. What you can do is go about with the heat on, shoveling, the small area, shoveling around the steps, shoveling around the landscape, doing whatever you need to do. And you're staying warm with your heated jacket and heated pants. You can climb into your truck and at that point, plug it into your cigarette lighter, and you could keep those batteries going longer that way. And of course, keep yourself warm. You can see here in the box also, they've got the battery. It's going to be, I'm assuming, just like the battery that runs the jacket.
We can open it up now.
Yeah, we could take a peek at it. Yeah, that looks like the same battery pack. So the battery pack on these lasts a considerable amount of time. It's pretty amazing how long they'll last.
Yeah, it's the same battery.
Cool. Awesome. Let's see if there's a little charge to it. Because there is some sort of a gauge on here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. Look at that. 25%. Not very much, but enough for shipping. They do give you a little cable to charge it with. Again, if you want to, you can actually plug this into your heated garment and then plug it into an external battery bank if you want to do that. Ooh.
Very nice. Before I even...
Yeah, it's... Okay, so
material.
it's a soft shell.
Yeah.
That's what they call it.
Yep.
Ooh, those are really nice.
Yeah.
Now they have the power button here on the side, you can see. So I'm assuming the battery goes over there. So we'll go ahead and have Heidi sneak these on. We'll plug in the battery and see what that's like. Okay, obviously off camera, Heidi put the pants on. I don't remember what size we ordered her.
I think extra large.
Extra large. So she could probably have gone with a 2X because of pants underneath.
Yeah,
but she's got them on.
The long johns. A pair of long johns on with these. Golden.
Right. Yeah. Well, that brings up a point.
Perfect.
So there's 3 zippered pockets on this, and the battery bank again is 15,000 milliamp. And then there's a couple in the front. The battery has its own little thing in the front right in this case. And you see the light there. So she's got it on high. There's 5 heat zones that are in there, and you've got 3 different settings. If she pushes this button, you can see it changes color. That's a different setting, each one of those. So the red's the highest, and if you want to turn it off, you just hold it for so many seconds and it shuts off. Same way to turn it on. You just hold it for like 3 seconds. The thing is windproof. It's waterproof.
Yeah. I like them.
And again, it matches the jacket. So we knew this was going to be a perfect fit or a perfect deal for her.
Looks like I might be shoveling the driveway myself.
You could actually be out in some weather with this.
Yeah. They're warm by themselves also.
Yeah, right.
So.
Yeah, there's a lot of times I ask Heidi, how'd the battery last at your work? And she said, I never even had to turn it on. But it will last. You've got to take that in consideration whenever you're looking at it and you're thinking, well, I don't know about the thing being heated. Well, anything's better than nothing. So if you even have it on the lowest setting, again, if you want to plug this into a cigarette lighter, they make a special cigarette lighter adapter for this. You have to buy that separate. It doesn't come with it because a lot of people don't need it. So all this could be yours. Now, there's going to be a link down in the description. So click that, and you will be able to stay warm in the winter, which I'm telling you, I need it. I need it too. So, yeah, it's thanks to DEWBU. It's very nice. These are very good quality clothes, regardless if they had heaters in them or not.
Yeah.
There is some sort of a lining inside, so it's relatively comfortable. And again, the fact that it's windproof, waterproof. Oh, and
heavy.
yeah, it's not heavy, but you machine wash. I keep on forgetting to tell you guys that. This is something you can put in your washer. Just take the battery pack off and put it in the washer. Make sure it gets thoroughly dry and go to town. So yeah, it looks like Heidi's ready to go to some sort of a snow plow contractor meeting. So we'll let her close this out.
As always, we hope to see you out there. Bye.
Bye.